What's up, guys? WC Rides here, out on another ride today. Beautiful, what is this, late June day. And that stuff up there, that's where we're going. Not specifically right there, but that direction. Looks like we might be getting some weather today. Very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Awesome, thank you, buddy. So yeah, a bit of a mixed weather day today, but it's all right. I wanted to get out and do some exploring today. It's all hot and gross outside, but it's nice and cool up here at the parkway, you know, higher in elevation and everything. Today may be a dangerous day for me, but you know, I'm not gonna push myself too far. I'm fairly well aware of my limits, so I'm gonna challenge myself today, see how far I can get. Plan for today is there's some forest roads that I've been eyeballing all year, the end of last year, all year so far, and I've now officially got enough off-road riding under my belt to at least put my nose in it and see how far I can get. So I'm no like off-road expert yet. This is like really my first, technically second serious season doing gravel roads, service roads, stuff like that. Nothing too crazy, but this road right here kind of is. Not this road I'm on right now, but the one we'll be going on is kind of at the, I'm sure it's at the point past my limit. So I want to see how far down on that road I can get. There's actually a few other roads I'm going to check out as well, depending on how far I get with the first section. I'm trying to be safe about it, but I'm also trying to just enjoy it. So I'm on 215 heading north. I'm about to go over the crest here. The Blue Ridge Parkway is up here, and this yellow line on my map here, that's Blue Ridge Parkway. But we're going to be going down in the Charlie's Creek area. Well, not quite the Charlie's Creek area. It's the service road going this direction before you get to Charlie's Creek. And I have no idea what that route is, but, oh, 4663. Yeah. All right, so our turn's coming up here. I thought it was a dude's driveway, but I looked on the map, and it is absolutely service road. I can see it's been a little damp today, so if it's just immediately mud, this is going to be a no-go. And I'll go do something else today, but I want to see what happens. Hopefully it's not just fully mud. It's not that guy. It is this guy, 4663, National Forest. All right, let's pop it over into gravel. Let's not go into dude's driveway. There we go. All right. So, looks a little soft, looks a little damp, looks a little populated. But, let's see how it goes. Never been on this road before, so this is going to be interesting. But yeah, look at this, just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, hold on. I'm just finding just this area is just beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And I need to pull over and get my 360 cam started. Cool. Okay, we're good. This area snakes basically, I believe, in the Pisgah Forest, south of the parkway, like down the mountain basically. And these are just forest roads that snake back up through here. There may be parts where I just simply cannot traverse due to skill or just road condition or, you know, everything in between. So we'll see how far I can take this. Like, I want to be adventurous, but I want to be, you know, safe and smart about it. But look at this, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Just watching for this mud here. I mean, it looks like it could just pop into mud at any point. And I know how slick mud can be, and these are the tires I'm on. They're Nubby tires, but I don't want to like 70 30s, 80 20s. I don't know. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find places where if I'm just feeling crazy one day, I can just pop out, throw up a hammock somewhere, and just hang out for just a few minutes, just to Get some nice, calm, quiet. So I've got my traction control on right now because of the mud. I generally turn my traction control off in situations like this when I'm kind of familiar with the area and feeling good that day and warmed up and everything. But due to the potential mud, I'm just gonna let the bike kind of help me out and hopefully stay upright today. That's exploring, enjoying the ride, and staying upright. Those are my plans. It's a fun little ride. Oh, we got a little bit of a puddle here. I'm just gonna go to the right and gonna some. Good enough. Got a tree down. Adventure! Woo, adventure! I'm gonna start doing that every time I feel like I'm doing something. Like the parkour joke. If you jump off something real small, like parkour, adventure. Ooh. Ooh. See, now this, I need to figure out. Maybe this is just like a camping site, and if that is, that's cool. I did not intend on stopping much at all today, so got video. I know where this road is. Been wanting to do this road, so things to come back and check out.